What's up, people? Say what's up. Say hi. Hi, you guys. This is my baby, my bundle of joy. So adorable, but bad. All the way bad. There's no doubt in my mind that he's not bad. He's very good. But anyway, say what's up. Hey. Say bless you. His bad ass. Look at this. You know, light-skinned kids always bad. Bitch ass nigga. Hey. Say hi. Hi. Say I got all my teeth. Well, most of them. The rest of them are coming in. This is my baby. 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 I love you.